What is up, guys? Back with another video. We have a CSX on its way. Spirit of Armed Forces is coming through at some point. I'm just confused on when. 3319 is leading, and it's an oil train. I think this guy's just more Autoracks. I think he's a Hawaiian too. It is number 87. Never mind. More Autoracks. God, he's moving. Woo! Sucks that it's not that was mostly freaking Autoracks. Last one was an Autorack train. It's just boring. Anyways, guys, I'll let you guys know when freaking I guess the next CSX comes. He's gonna be coming from that way. He's gonna be going that way. So, yeah. We do got an NS down there. So definitely we'll go watch him. I just recorded a really nice SD70 Ace Norfolk Southern. It was Oh, it had the cleanest horn. I'm telling you guys, it had probably the best horn I've heard in a long freaking time. But I'll let you guys go. You guys have a good morning, because it is 5 o'clock. Peace out, guys.